Hi and welcome to your channel. My name is Esther. In this video we will practice nice and flowing movements to release tension and boost our energy level. The exercises are gradually progressing, so just make sure that you choose the right level for yourself. So let's begin in standing at the end of your mat with your feet parallel to each other, hip distance apart. Gently draw the sitting bones together towards each other. Gently tilt the pelvis underneath and engage your core. Relax your shoulders backwards and downwards and lengthen the back of your neck up towards the ceiling. Imagine yourself standing nice and tall. And just simply roll your left shoulder backwards and downwards, and the same on the right. A few little circles. One more on the right. Hold. Nod your chin, run the shoulders, mid-back, lower back, reach down towards your feet, bending forward vertebrae by vertebrae, then walk forward, slowly lowering your knees down on the ground, end up in an all-fours position. From here, roll your back up towards the ceiling and arch your back. If you feel comfortable, you can hold for a deep inhalation. Move as you exhale. Just mobilizing your back. One more. Arching your back. And then find your neutral lumbar spine position, box shape of your back, and slowly raise the heels and knees up. Roll back, walking your hands towards your feet, and slowly roll back up into standing. Nice and tall again. Float both arms in front of your shoulders and chest, extending your arms, and then pull the left elbow backwards, opening your chest, but make sure that you keep your hips facing forward on both sides. Same on the other side. Little rotation towards the right, towards the left. One more time. Look over your shoulder towards the elbow. Reach forward, then over your head with both arms. Relax your arms down, nod your chin. Round your mid-back, lower back. Walk forward again into all-fours position. Keep your toes tucked under. Hands slightly further forward than your shoulders. Engage your core. Hold that box shape of your body. Press both feet, both palms into the ground, and float the knees up about an inch above the ground. Carry on with that little curl and arch as you just did before. Keeping your knees floated above your mat. For more time. Roll and walk backwards, planting your heels, walking the hands towards your feet. Roll all the way up. Shoulders backwards and downwards, floating both arms front, and then reach the right one up, back, down, and front again. Creating a big circle on the right side. Same idea, try to keep your hips facing forward while you're gently opening up your chest towards the side. Last one on the right side. Move both arms up and above your head, engage your core, relax your arms down, nod your chin, round your back, reach down, and then walk forward again. This time we're going to keep the knees floated, walk a little bit further into our hover position. Take a deep inhalation and roll back up into downward facing dog, lowering your heels. Enjoy that nice stretch at the back of your leg. Raise the heels, Roll your back forward into hover and push-up position. Hold for a deep inhalation. Roll back up again into downward facing dog. Hold that stretch. Roll forward again, controlling the movement, slowly lowering your hips and your chest towards the ground. Look in between your palms and then towards your feet. Downward facing dog again and forward. Hover position, nice long back and leg. One more time. Downward facing dog position. Enjoy that nice stretch, the back of your leg. And walk your hands backwards. Slightly bend both knees, lower your heels, and slowly roll back up, engaging your core. Relax the shoulders backwards and downwards. This time, pull your left heel away, float both arms forward, and then do that nice big circle, upwards, backwards, and downwards. Try to balance, maybe on one leg, floating the knee up, opening up, relaxing your arm down, and then relax your foot down. Same on the other side. At the beginning, try the connection kept with the toes, and then flow your knee up. Concentrate on one spot if you feel that is too wobbly, or keep your toes on the ground, creating that big circle, lowering your foot, reaching both arms up and above, engaging the core, drawing the ribs down, relaxing your arms down. We'll roll all the way, reaching down again, walking forward, and for our final challenge, into our hover position, either hold and shift your weight forward and backwards a couple of times, or keep your weight at the back, engage your core, and then pick up your right knee towards your chest, perhaps reaching across towards the opposite elbow and back, extending the leg. Crunch across and extend. Left knee towards the right elbow, move back, and then shift your weight backwards, lower your knees gently on the floor, lower your weight over your heels into child position, and hold that nice stretch for one more deep inhalation and a long exhalation. From here, slowly walk your hands backwards, sit over your heels, relax the shoulders backwards and downwards, and reach the left arm sideways over your head towards the right side. Into a side stretch and release. Other side. If you feel it's too uncomfortable keeping that stretched position, then you can use a pillow in between your heels and your hips, or simply sit back down, perhaps using a pillow underneath your pelvis. One more side stretch. And then move back to the center, reach both arms up and above your head, put your palms together and relax your hands down in front of your chest. Well done. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed these exercises. If so, please give us a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks again. Bye for now.